Yeah, from 99. He's in the industrial area. Looks like he's on a pavement. Stand by.
Land. Oh well, I can't buy any clothes I don't need now. I wonder when I'll be able to buy clothes that I don't need. Got tons of clothes that I don't need. Just there taking up wardrobe space, but you never have enough clothes. Enough pair of boots and enough coats, jackets. The only shops making a killing now. Marks and Spencer's over there, look. The supermarkets, they're making a killing. They're making billions for their shareholders. All these poor people that ain't really poor, the government's going to give them all their money that they've lost. But we're still paying, we're still buying clothes, we're still paying for all the clothes, we're just not getting any clothes to show for it. But you're going to pay. You're going to pay with your increased taxes when all this is over. All those billions and billions that the government's given to all these business owners, these big corporations, you're paying for that. We're all going to pay for it. Don't you worry about that. It's the little people that's going to suffer. Still buying all your Primark, your Nike and your Sports Direct. You're all still paying for all that. You just got no clothes to show for it anymore. They're still going to get their money so they can pay for the moorings for their yachts out in the Caribbean when they go on holiday next year. Still get their millions from the government, ultimately from us lot. Just went past a physiotherapist offering video and phone consultations. How the fuck can you do physio over the phone? They're greedy bastards in there. I went there for about 16 weeks. Had electrotherapy on my back. What a load of bollocks that was. What a waste of money. Who the fuck pays to be electrocuted every week? COVID-19, minimum 2 metre distance. Please keep a minimum of 2 metres 6 foot gap between you and others sat on that bench. Who wants to sit on that bench? But he wants to sit on that bench covered in bird shit. They're all covered in bird shit because humanity's being taken over by nature. All them crows, look. We're wondering where's their chips and their burger buns, because the burger van behind me is just closed. Let's have a look. There it is, look. There's the burger van. Makes a mean monster burger in there. And he's closed. Got free tea and coffee over there, look. For ambulance and NHS staff, just ask. So that's a good thing over there. You can pop up here, get a free cup of tea, free coffee, sit and enjoy the view. See what that other sign says. Important information. Please stay at home. On a lovely day like today, here I am on top of Portsdown Hill again on a sunny Good Friday afternoon, out on my daily exercise. One of my daily exercise. One's not enough, so I need more. Who remembers that film with birds? Anybody? Just pick your eyeballs out, especially these ones. Dogs need exercise more than once a day, especially for people that live in flats. What are they going to do? Let the dog shit in their living room? They have to go out more than once a day. Let the dog out. So here I am, enjoying my exercise and enjoying the view. Why should I just ride around my block? Down there, that's a private road. I can go up there though if I wanted. That's the wrong direction. For all you nutters that are going around burning down these phone towers and these 5G towers that's frying your brain, there's one there, look. Heard it all now. There's the George Inn. Sat outside there for a while. Google knows where I've been. Google's telling everyone where everyone's been. Google's gonna grass me up, going up on top of balls down the hill. Google's telling the police where everyone's congregating. Never leave your home without a bag for life, else you pay a £60 fine. These families digging out their bikes out of the old dusty shed. Say one thing when this is all over with, the UK is going to be one of the fittest countries in the world. All this exercise everyone's doing. Now, never go out the home without your bag for life and a camera in your pocket. So while you're out the house, sir, going shopping. I'm on my exercise. That's what you got to do now, to go out, get some vitamin D. Is your travel essential? Yes, I'm getting some essential vitamin D, so I don't end up with brittle bones, heart disease. I'd say it's fucking essential. Give them 2 metres distance. See if that bus driver's got any protection. Of course he ain't. No protection, no face mask, no gloves. But no passengers either, so he's still good. It's not just London bus drivers that are dying.
And he's gone right at the end there.
You got it towards Sainsbury's.
Put that camera down, or we will tase you.
I know.